now certified kettlebell and primal movement instructor and owner of Primal Fitness Pittsburgh. We're here at Industrial Athletics this morning discussing 3 different types of lifts. We got the military press, the push press, and the clean and jerk. Now today what we're going to be doing is talking about the double kettlebell military press. So I got 2 12-kilogram kettlebells right here, ready to go. And I just want to show the difference in form between the 2 lifts. We'll be discussing on the blog how they fire certain muscle groups and how they kind of lead up to the 3rd lift we'll be talking about this week, the clean and jerk. So, real quick demo when we do our kettlebell military press. Clean first, coming straight up. You can move your feet to get a better position here. We want to focus on getting your abs really, really tight, and you want to pretend like you're pushing your feet down into the ground, okay? We call that kind of a grinding motion. And what that's going to do is actually give you enough lower body support and core stabilization to lift the kettlebells above your head. Common misconception is trying to muscle your way through a military press. Really, as long as you're locked and loaded below, you're going to be able to lift up those weights without a problem. So, once again, cleaning, repositioning our body, tense, tight, walking straight above our head. Down the rack. Other side. Clean. And down. Okay. You'll notice that I'm breathing slowly as I lift the kettlebells above your head. As long as you continue to exhale, your muscles will relax just enough so they can lift and elevate the kettlebells right above you. You don't want to be too tight with your upper body there, otherwise you won't be able to max out on your lifts. Up next is going to be the kettlebell push press. So we'll see you guys on the next video.